Hello fellow Terps, today we're going to show you how to use the Nutrition and Food Science Department's autoclave. When you are making media to be placed into the autoclave, make sure that you only fill your container to halfway full at most, and before putting it in the autoclave, make sure to loosen the cap to allow excess steam to escape. This will prevent glass bottles and other glass containers from breaking while autoclaving. After you've made your media, make sure to place everything that's being put into the autoclave in an autoclavable tray. Check with your lab to see which trays are autoclavable. If you have the wrong tray, it may melt in the autoclave. Before autoclaving, make sure to put autoclave tape on the containers of what you are putting in the autoclave. This is temperature and pressure sensitive tape that will show you if the autoclave is working correctly. When the autoclave works correctly, the tape will darken in certain areas, letting you know that the autoclave process was successful. When you are ready to bring your items to the autoclave, make sure to keep everything on a cart. This is most important for when you are finished autoclaving, as items will be very hot, including the autoclave safe tray. Before placing your items in the autoclave, make sure to fill out the sign-in sheet. You need to make sure you record the date, your starting time, your cycle duration, name, and then your lab. If the autoclave is in use when you arrive, please put your items in the lineup in the room just outside of the autoclave. And if there are people ahead of you, see if you can combine your items with theirs. When it's time to put your things in the autoclave, for this one, there are multiple settings. For red bags, you have one setting. For most media, you should use liquid 4. And for empty glass containers and pipette tips, you may choose either gravity 2 or gravity 3. Since we are making TSA today, we'll be using the liquid 4 setting. When your autoclave cycle is done, it's time to open the door. Make sure that you're wearing protective gloves, and when you open the door, stand off to one side as there's a lot of heat and steam that will escape. You would pull out your tray and place it on the cart. Now I will show you how to autoclave the trash. Like with media and other items, it should still go into an autoclave safe bin. In order to allow steam to enter and sterilize the trash, a good way to close the bag, however, is to tighten it at the top and twist it, but do not tie it closed. You should still place autoclave tape on the trash bag, allow you to see if it's been successfully autoclaved. You can secure the top of the trash bag down like so. Now place the bin in the autoclave. Close the chamber and press red bag. When you have finished autoclaving your trash, take the red bag out, place it in a black trash bag, and then you must carry it outside to the dumpster, as facilities management is not responsible for autoclave trash. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Nutrition and Food Sciences Department's autoclave.